Hardwood floor acclimation is an important process that ensures your new hardwood flooring is properly adjusted to the temperature and humidity levels in your home. Failure to acclimatize your hardwood flooring can lead to problems such as cupping when the wood takes in humidity, or crowning when it becomes too dry, and even cracking, which can shorten the lifespan of your floor and make it visually less appealing. Hardwood flooring needs to be acclimated because it is a natural product made from wood, which is a living, breathing material that can expand and contract based on the humidity and temperature levels in the environment. When hardwood flooring is harvested, it is cut and kiln dry to reduce its moisture content. However, the moisture content of the wood can still vary depending on the environment. In a low humidity environment, the wood can absorb moisture from the air, causing it to expand. Conversely, in a high humidity environment, the wood can release moisture, causing it to shrink. Acclimating the hardwood flooring before installation allows it to adjust to the humidity and temperature levels of the room, reducing the risk of expansion and contraction after installation. So, here are the steps. Before you begin, make sure that the room where the hardwood floor will be installed is at the proper temperature and humidity level. Room temperature should be between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and the humidity levels should be between 35 and 55%. Number 2, when you receive the hardwood floor, remove it from the packaging and place it in the room where it will be installed. It is important to store the flooring in the room for at least 72 hours and up to 2 weeks. This will give the wood enough time to adjust to the humidity and temperature levels of the room. Number 3, make sure that the hardwood flooring is placed on flat ground, away from any direct sunlight or heat sources. This will prevent any warping or cupping. Number 4, measure the moisture content of the hardwood flooring using moisture meter and monitor the humidity and temperature levels in the area where the hardwood flooring will be installed, to ensure that the moisture content of the flooring remains within the recommended range. Here's a table with the expected moisture content of the flooring within specific temperature and humidity levels. 5. Once the hardwood flooring has been acclimated, it is ready for installation. Before installation, make sure that the subfloor is prepared. Typically, the moisture content of the subfloor and your hardwood floor must be within 2% of each other. Follow the manufacturer's installation instructions carefully to ensure that the hardwood flooring is installed correctly and the warranty remains valid. By following these steps, you can ensure that your hardwood floor will be properly acclimated before installation, which will help to prevent any problems from arising after installation and extend the lifespan of your floor. We know how a flooring project is a huge undertaking for you, but if you're not in a rush, I encourage you to shop around. Then check us out. We're a factory direct retailer, so our hardwood prices are guaranteed cheaper than any other retailer. We import the materials ourselves, passing along the savings to you. Should you have any further questions, please email us at hello@redeemflooring.com.